Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. So today we're going to start with the chapter. We're working on the book Grade 7 Maths Make Sense. Here is the book Pearson Math Makes Sense Grade 7. So we're working on chapter 1, that is patterns and relations. And the lessons we're going to cover today are 1.3 algebraic expressions, 1.4 relationships and patterns, and 1.5 patterns and relationships in tables. So let's just start with the first lesson. Okay, here I'm on the book. Let's just start with chapter 1. We're going to start with lesson 1.3 algebraic expressions. It is. Okay, here is the lesson algebraic expressions. So let's just start with the lesson. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, identify the numerical quotients, the variable and the constant term in each algebraic expression. So you're going with the algebraic expressions. We have to find the numerical coefficient, the variable and the constant term in each algebraic expression. So let's just start with the question number 1. 3x plus 2. Okay, that is the mathematical expression, right? Algebraic expression it is. So you have variable here is x, coefficient of the variable is x is variable and 3 is the coefficient of the variable, and the one without any variable is the constant, right? So whenever you have an alphabet involved, a b c either x y z, this one, the variables, these are the variables, then the number that is written right before the variable is the coefficient of the variable, and the one that is written without any coefficient, that would be the constant. So here the constant is 2, right? Just look at the b part, 5n. B part is 5n. Here you have n is the variable and 5 is the coefficient of the variable, right? Okay, let's just start with question number 2. An algebraic expression have has variable p, numerical quotient 7 and constant term 9. Write as many algebraic expressions as you can that fit in this description. So you are verbally you are given, you have to write the mathematical expression. Got it? So you have the variable p, numerical coefficient 7 and constant term 9. They are given the variable, the numerical coefficient and the constant term. You have to write the algebraic expressions as many as you can. Got it? So you have numerical coefficient 7, variable p, and constant is 9, I think. Yes, 9. You have to write as many as you can. So 7, you can, the first one is 7p plus 9. You can write as many as you can, got it? So it may be more than 1. Also, you can write 7p minus 9 and 7 minus p over 9. These are the mathematical expressions you can write. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the next question. Okay, the next one is write an algebraic expression for each phrase. 6 more than a number. So you have to write down the expression for uh, all the algebraic expressions. Okay, 6 more than a number. You don't know what number it is. Got it? That means that would be a variable. 6 more means you have to add 6. So it would be x plus 6, right? Say a number multiplied by 8. So 8x. You don't know what number is it. So multiplied, it would be 8x. A number decreased by 6. So decreased means you have to subtract a number divided by 4, then it would be x over 4. You can use any variable x, y, z, a, b, c, whatever you want, right? Okay. A person earns $4 for each hour he spends babysitting. Find the money earned for each time, 5 hours, 8 hours. Write an algebraic expression you could use to find the money earned in t hours. Got it? So you are given, like, for 1 hour, person charge $4. So you have to see, if he work for 5 hours, how much charges he will charge. Got it? So $4 per hour. Okay. $4 per hour. Got it? So you need to see how much money he earned if he works for 5 hour. So per hour is 4. You can do 5 times 4. That would be $20. That means if he work for 5 hours, he will earn $20. Got it? And the second part is, I think, 4 hours, 8 hours. Got it? So 8 hours, it would be 8 times 4. So 8 times 4 is $32. That means he can earn $32 for 8 hours. So you have to write down the equation in terms of t. So you can write it as 5t. Got it? Okay. Question number 5. Write an algebraic expression for each sentence. Okay, you're given with the sentences. You have to write down the algebraic expressions. Got it? Okay, double a number and add 3. Double means you have to multiply a number by 2. It would be 2n plus 3, right? Subtract 5 from a number and then multiply by, subtract 5 by a number and then multiply by 2. So it would be, for example, the number is n minus 5. You have to multiply it then by 2. Divide a number by 7, then add 6. So it would be, divide a number by 7, x over 7 and then plus 6. Got it? A number is subtracted from 28. It would be 28 minus x. 28 is subtracted from a number. It would be x minus 28. Right? Same thing you have to do with question number 6. So you can do question number 6 on your own. Got it? Okay, question number 7. Evaluate each expression by replacing x with 4. So you have to replace the x and put 4 over here. Let's just start with question number 7a, x plus 5. Replace x with 4. Got it? Should be 4 plus 5, and that equals 9. Got it? Okay, the next one is I'm going to do e part 3x plus 1. So you have to do the same thing, just replace the x by 5. So it would be 3 times 5 plus 1. 3 times 5 is 15 and 1, 16. So the correct option is 16. Okay, you can do the rest of the parts by yourself. Let's just start with question number 8. Evaluate each expression by replacing z with 7. You have to do the same thing we did in question number 7, but now you have to replace the z by 7. Let's just start with a part, z plus 12. So replace z by 7, so it would be 7 plus 12, that means 19 it is, right? Okay, the next one is uh, e part 35 minus 2z. Replace z by 7. So 35, 2 times 7 is 14. Just subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1 and 3 minus 1 is 2. So the correct option is, the answer is 21. Right? Okay, let's just start with question number 9. Jason works at a local chip and chips restaurant. He earns 7 hours during the week and 9 hours on the weekend. Jason works 8 hours during the week and 12 hours on the weekend. Write an expression for his earning. Okay, you have to write down the expression. Okay, he earns 7 per hour during the week and 9 per hour on the weekend. Jason worked 8 hours during the week and 12 hours on the weekend, right? Okay, 7 hours during the week. Okay, weekdays it is $7 per hour. $7, right? So the question is, he earned 8 hours during the week, so you have to do 7 times 8. 7 times 8 is $56. That means during weekdays he earned $56, right? And then 9 per hour for weekend and 12 hours. So for weekend it is 9 per hour and he worked for 12 hours. So 12 times 9 is $81. Got it? No, 12 times 9 is 108, not 81. Got it? 12 times 9 is 108. So you have to calculate the total value. So you have to just add 56 plus 108. Got it? It would be 168 $4. Okay, for the second step, what you have to do, you have to Jason work X hours during the week and 5 hours on the weekend. So you don't know how much he worked during the week. This is the A part. So it would be 7 times X and plus 5 hours during the weekend. So it would be 7x plus 45. Got it? Okay. C part is, Jason worked $115 to buy sport equipment. He worked 5 hours on the weekend. How many hours Jason have to work during the week to have the money he needs? Okay. He did 5 hours in the weekend. Got it? That means it is 7x plus 9 times 5 is 45, and that equals 115 because he need to earn $115. Got it? So it would be 7x equal 115 minus 45. That would be 7x equals 70. So just divide both sides by 7. So it would be x equals 7. That means he need to work 7 hours per week. Got it? 7 times 10 is 70. He need to work 10 hours per week. Got it? Okay. Okay, let's just start with 1.4, that is relationships in patterns. So a question I haven't did, you have to try them on your own. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. But once you have to try them on your own. Got it? Let's just start with the first one, relationships in patterns. Okay, here is the practice questions for each pattern. For each pattern, how is each term related to term number? Let n represents any term number. Write a relationship for the terms. So you have to write down the relationships between these terms. Got it? So let's just start with the first one. Okay, you can see the term number is 1, term is 2. Term number is 2, that would be 4. Term number is 3, that would be 6. 4, 8, 5, 10, 6, 12. Okay, just identify the relationship. You can see the term is twice the term number. Got it? 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. That means you have to multiply the term number by 2. Got it? So for A, the mathematical expression is, the relationship is 2 times n. You can see n represents any term number. Got it? So it would be 2 times n. Okay. Let's just look at this one. 1 and 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, and 6, 8. For the B, you have to identify the relationship. Okay. 1, 3, 2, 4. You can see every term is 2 more than term number. Got it? 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 plus 2 is 5, 4 plus 2 is 6, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 6 plus. So it would be n is the term number and plus 2. Got it? Okay, 1, 8, 2, 16. Okay, all the numbers are the multiples of 8. That means you have to multiply the term number by 8. It would be 8n. Got it? Okay, 1, 6, 2, 7, 3, 8. So it would be, when term is 1, it is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 5 is 7. 3 plus 5, so it would be n plus 5. Right? Okay, hold on. Let me see how many questions do we have. Okay, there are n students in a class. Write a relationship for each statement. So you have to write down, you're given the verbal one, you have to just read, identify, read, understand, and you have to write the numerical expression, mathematical expression. Got it? The total number of pencils, if each student has 3 pencils. Got it? You have to calculate the total number of pencils if each student have 3 pencils. Got it? So you can write it as 3 times n is the number of students in the class. Got it? Okay, the B part is the number of desks. If there are two more desks than students, you have to see how many desks we have. If you have two more desks than students, n is the number of students and desks are two more, so it would be n plus 2. Got it? Okay, the next one is the total number of geoboards if each pair of students share one geoboard. Like two students are using one geoboard. Got it? So if n is the students, that means n divided by 2. The students divided by 2 equals the number of geoboards. Got it? A total number of stickers if each student get 4 stickers and there are 10 stickers left over. Each student get 4. So 4 times n and 10 left over. That means you have 10 more stickers than students. Okay, let's just start with question number 4. A person earns $10 each hour worked. Write a relationship for her earning for n hours of work. How much he earned for 30 hours. Okay, he earned $10 per hour. Got it? So if he work n, so it would be 10 times n. Got it? How much does she earns for 30 hours of work? Just replace n is the number of hours, replace the n by 30. So it will be 10 by 30. That means it is $300. If you replace the n by 10, okay, the next one is write a relation for the parameter of a square with side length n centimeters. What is the parameter of a square with side length of 12 centimeter? Suggest a situation that could be represented by each relation. Okay, write a relationship of the parameter of a square with side length and the parameter of the square has all four sides equal in length, right? So the parameter would be 4 times n. Got it? What is the parameter of a square with side length 12 centimeter? Okay, if the side length is given 12 centimeter, you have to calculate the parameter, and this is side length, it would be 4 times 12, that is 48 centimeters. Got it? Suggest a situation that can be represented by each relation. 3s is related to s. Okay, you can do C part by yourself. Let's just start with question number 5. If you have any question, you can ask. Suggest a real life situation that could be represented by each relation n plus 5. Basically, you have to use the examples, or you are given the expressions, you have to write them in the word problem form. Got it? Like that means n plus 5. Ali's sister is 5 years more than Ali's age, right? Then 3t plus 1, 3 times a number plus 1. Got it? You just have to represent these mathematical expressions in the verbal form. Got it? Okay, just look at the question number 6. Coco is organizing an overnight camping trip. The cost to rent a campsite is $20. The cost of food per person is $9. How much will the trip cost if 5 people go, 10 people go? Okay, the cost of rent is $20 and food is $9. You need to see if you have 5 people, the total cost is. Got it? Rent is same for everyone, that would be 20. But food you have to charge for every person would be 9 times 5 plus 20. 45 plus 20 it is 65. Got it? That means if you have 5 people, the answer is 65. Now you have to check for 10 people. Replace the 5. 10 times 9 is 90, and 90 plus 2 is 20 is 110 then. Got it? Okay. C part B. What a relationship for the cost of the trip when P people go. You know, don't know that P number of people is just P. So it would be 9P plus 20, because 9 for the food, 5 people, so it would be 9P plus 20. Got it? Suppose the cost of food doubles, right, in relation. Okay, double meaning you have to multiply the cost of food by 2. Got it? So earlier it was 9 and now it was 9 times 2. Double means multiply. It would be 18P plus 20. Okay. Suppose the cost of the campsite doubles. Okay, now the cost is doubled. Got it? The cost of the campsite is doubled. So the cost of campsite is 20. Double mean you have to multiply it by the 20, by the 2 to 20, 20 times 2 is 40. So it would be, okay. Let's just look at question number 7. A pizza with cheese and tomato topping cost $8. It cost $1 for each extra topping. I Page 510. I am on page 24. Page is 24. You can check the name of the book. It is Maths Makes 7. Um, Maths Makes Sense, grade 7. Is it the same book? You can see here. This is the book, title of the book. Can you see? Is it the same book you are looking for? Okay, then go to page number 24. No, sorry, not 24. Uh, yes, 24 it is. Okay, a pizza with cheese and tomato topping costs $8. It cost $1 for each extra topping. Write a relationship for the pizza with extra topping. What is the cost of pizza with 5 extra toppings? Okay. So the equation is uh, 8 cost is 8 plus 1 extra topping, so it would be 8 plus 1 t represents the number of toppings, right? Okay, the next one is what is the cost of the pizza with 5 extra toppings? Okay, if you have t equals 5, it would be 8 plus 1 times 5, that would be 8 plus 5 equals $13, right? So if you did 5 toppings, the cost of the pizza is $13. Okay, on Tuesday, the cost of the same pizza with cheese and tomato topping is $5. Write a relationship for the cost of pizza with extra topping on Tuesday. Okay, on Tuesday it is $5, so it would be the equation would be 5 plus 1t. Got it? Okay, how much is the cost of pizza with 5 extra toppings on Tuesday? Okay, if t equals 5 on Tuesday, so it would be 5 plus 1 times 5, that would be $10. It is. Okay, let's just start with question number 8. Write a relationship for the pattern rule for each number patterns. Let n represents any term number. Okay, 4, 8, 12, 16. All the numbers are the multiples of 4, right? So that means if n is the number of terms, it would be 4 times n, because all the numbers are multiple of, that is term 1, that is term 2, that is 3, 4. You can see 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times 4 is 16. So it would be for 8 is 4n. Got it? Okay, then you have 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so for 7, 8, 9, 10, that is term 1, that is 2, 3, and 4. So 1 plus 6 is 7, 2 plus 6 is 8, 3 plus 6 is 9. Like for each next number, you have to add 6 to the term number. So n is the term number, so it would be n plus 6. Got it? Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. It would be 1 less than term 1, term 2. That is 0, 1, 2, 3. You can see here. 0, 1, 2, 3. It is term 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 1. So that means it is n minus 1, right? Okay, let's just start with the next lesson. And the next lesson is patterns and relationships in tables. So, how do we write the tables? Okay, copy and complete each table. Explain how the input number is related to input number. Okay, you are given here, you have x and 2x. That means you have to multiply every number by 2. Got it? Okay, here you have x and then you have 2x. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2x means you have to do 2 times 1, 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 4, and 2 times 5. So it would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10, right? That would be the table. Okay, then C part is 3p plus 5. 1, 2, 3p plus 5. Okay, you are given p and 3p plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it would be 3 times 1 plus 5, that is 8. 3 times 2 plus 5, that is 11. Got it? Then you have to do 3 times 3 plus 5, that is 14. 3 times 4 plus 5, that would be 17. Got it? The next number would be 20. Okay, let's just start with question number. Use algebra. Write a relationship of each. Okay, you have to find a relationship for the question number 2. Got it? How do we find relationship? Just look at the relationship between the n and the output value. 1, 7, 2, 14, 321, 428. You can see here all the numbers are the multiples of 7. 7, 14, 21, 28, right? That means the output is 7 times and it would be 7 and for A. Got it? Okay, the second one is 1, 4, 2, 7, 3, 10. Okay, okay, 1 plus 1, 4, 2, 7. Okay, 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 13. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, and 13. It would be 1 plus 3 is 4. That means it is 3n plus 1. You can see for this one. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1. 3 times 4 is n plus 1. So it would be 3n plus 1, right? Okay, question number. For each table, find the output. Explain how the numbers 3 and 4 in each relation affect the output. Okay, you can do question number 3 and 4 by yourself. You just have to put different values of and then you have to calculate the output. Okay, let's do question number 3a. 3n plus 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3n plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is 3n plus 4. Just replace the n with the values. 3 times 1 plus 4, that is 7. 3 times 2 plus 4, that is 10. 3 times 3 plus 4, that is 13. And then 3 times 4 plus 4, that would be 16. Got it? So you have to do the same thing. You could just look at the question number 5. Okay, take describe the pattern in the table. Use the pattern to extend the table three more rows. Use algebra, write a relation that describes how output is related to input. Okay, you have to look at the table and you have to describe the pattern. Okay, 5, 15, 10, 25, 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. I think 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. 1. Okay, you can see 1 times 5 is 5, 3 times 5 is 15, 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 7 is 35. Got it? But this is x and this is the output. That means you have to divide x by 5 for each value. Got it? So it would be x divided by 5. Got it? Okay, we are done with the lesson. Okay, so we are working on grade 7 and we're working on chapter 1, that is patterns and relations. And the lessons we have covered today are 1.3, 1.4, and 1.5. They are algebraic expressions, relationships in patterns, patterns and relationships in tables. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. So you can, if you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So please ask. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.